Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving part 4. This lesson is a continuation of the previous video. More examples will aim to help with further understanding. Example 1. Find two numbers so that when you multiply them together the answer is 20 and when you add them together the answer is 9. Solution. Let us concentrate on the multiplication first and then we can check on the addition. So with your first guess, let the numbers be 10 and 2. So for the multiplication, 10 times 2 equals 20. And we were told in the problem that when you multiply them together you get 20, so that is correct. Now for the addition, when you add them together the answer should be 9. So here 10 plus 2 is 12. Which is not equal to 9. So 10 and 2 are not the answers. Let's do the second guess. Let the numbers be 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. That is correct. That's what we have in the initial problem. 4 plus 5 is 9. That is correct because 9 is what you're supposed to get when you add the numbers. Hence the two numbers are 4 and 5. So they're the two answers. Example 2. Find two numbers such that their product is 72 and their sum is 18. Now you know that product means multiplication. Solution. First guess. Let the numbers be 9 and 8. 9 eighths are 72. That is correct because we were asked to find two numbers such that their product is 72, so that part's correct. 9 plus 8 is 17. That's not equal to 18 because 18 has to be the addition, so that's not correct. Second guess. Let the numbers be 18 and 4. 18 times 4 is 72. That is correct. 18 plus 4 is 22. And that does not equal 18, so they're not the answers. Third guess. Let the numbers be 6 and 12. 6 12s are 72. Correct. 6 plus 12 is 18, correct. So the two numbers are 6 and 12. Now I just want to point out here that I'm just showing you the strategy, this strategy of guess and check or trial and error. These sums are so straightforward that you could probably do them in your head and get them correct the first time. But all I'm doing here is pointing out a strategy that you can use if the problem is just a little bit more difficult. And it's quite an acceptable strategy. Example 3. The area of a rectangle is 24 square meters and the perimeter is 22 meters. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Solution. We know that to find the area of a rectangle we multiply the length by the width, and to find the perimeter we add the four sides together. So let's have a look at the next slide. First guess. Let the length be 6 meters and the width 4. 6 meters by 4 meters is 24 square meters. That is correct. So that the area is correct. But let's look at the perimeter. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4, that gives us 20, but that does not equal 22. So those two answers are not correct. So 6 and 4 are not correct. Second guess. Let the length be 8 and the width be 3. 8 meters times 3 meters is 24 square meters, correct? When you add the four sides together you get 22 meters, and that is correct. Hence, the length of the rectangle is 8 meters and the width is 3 meters. So just repeating, this is just a strategy and I've just used these examples to illustrate how you can use this strategy when you think it might be useful for other problems.